Hello guys. Welcome to another video.
Today, I am going to show you how to delete YouTube video from your channel on your mobile.
Go to YouTube app.
You can see on the right side bottom, Library.
Click on Library.
Then, here you can see your videos, click on that.
Now you can see here, all videos on your channel. Then, you can see on the right side, 3 dots in front of each video. Click on the 3 dots, that the relevant video you want to delete. Okay. I am going to delete this video. Then you can see delete, click on that. Again ask to delete the video. Click on delete. That's it. Video deleted. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.